Would you love me the same if I take off this makeup? Would you love me the same if I wasn't made up?
Hey ladies, I'm super excited to be here giving you guys a bomb tutorial on this look. So if you want to know how I achieved it, stay tuned. To start this look off, we're going to use our P. Louise base in the Rumor Shade 3. You guys, if you have not tried this base, it is perfect for making those colors pop, and I recommend you get it ASAP. I'm going to start off with the Jamrock palette, and I'm going to use that shade Purple with my Instapop I Do a Real Techniques brush. This is going to be the smallest brush in that set, and I'm going to apply that purple throughout my entire crease. And what you're going to see me do is to continue to pack that color on until I get that desired purple. I want it to be very pigmented, so I'm just going to keep packing and packing and packing. Then I am going to jump into that pink color from the same palette and use the same brush after cleaning the brush off, and I'm going to apply that pink right on top of the purple. So as you can see here, that purple and that pink are going to overlap just a little bit, and I'm going to show you how to blend that out perfectly in just one moment. And just like the purple, we're going to just continue to pack that pink on just so that pink is just as pigmented as the purple. Once you have packed that pink on enough, this is going to be your outcome. Then you want to go in and grab your crown brush, and this is the C511 brush, and we're going to blend out in between that purple and the pink, just so that purple kind of fades into the pink. And you just want to blend in circular motions. Blend, 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 blend. That's all I can tell you, ladies, is to blend till your wrists fall off. So we're going to grab our Mattebook, and I'm going to use the lightest shade because it matches my skin tone with my C512 brush from Crown, and I'm going to pack that on right on top of that pink. And after I pack the color on, then I'm going to go back and I'm going to do circular motions to blend out the pink and that brown color. And as I said before, ladies, you want to blend in circular motions until your wrist hurts and you can look at yourself in the mirror like, man. Then we're going to go back into our P. Louise base and grab our Morphe M167 brush, and we're going to cut that crease. Yes, sis, cut that crease. I went ahead and zoomed in for you guys just so you guys can see how I cut the crease. But if you do not know how to cut the crease and you want to learn, I do have a video for you guys on cutting the crease, so make sure you go back and watch that video. But once you finish cutting that crease, you want to take one of your brushes, or you can use your hand, and you want to smooth out the edges of the crease so we don't have any harsh lines and those colors can transition smoothly once we smoke this eye out. Then you want to take that purple shade from earlier, and we're going to pack it on the outer corner of our crease, and we're going to just keep packing and packing and packing until that purple is very pigmented and it gives us that smoked out look. Once you have packed that color onto the inner corner, we're going to jump into the Mattebook from the crayon case and grab that white shade. And we're going to use a smudge brush. I call it a smudge brush, but it's good for packing on colors to the lid. So we're going to pack that white on, and just take your time with this part, ladies, because you do not want any creasing in the eye. Just pack, 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 small sections at a time. And the more powder you put, or eyeshadow that you put on the brush, the more pigmented the color comes out. Once you have finished packing on that white, you want to go back and grab the slate color out of the Jamrock palette and my Crown 512 brush, I believe. And we're just going to do light fanning motions back and forward in between that dark purple and the white, just to give us a smooth transition in between the two colors. Now this is what's going to give us that ombre effect from the white to the purple. To spicing up the look, I went in with my Beauty Bakery liner and created a float wing. Now I recorded this whole process, but the color contrast kept going in and out, and I wanted to give you guys a great quality video, so I had to cut some pieces. But if you guys want a more detailed video, I can try my best to get you one out on creating this float wing. So I can tell you that you just kind of create the wing, and you're going to go halfway until it gets to that smoked out area. Then I like to take black eyeshadow and I like to apply it right over the wing so it's matte out, and then I'm going to smoke it out until that wing kind of disappears into the purple. To finish the look off, I popped on my favorite lashes from one of my favorite lash companies, and it really topped this look off. I also added a glitter line outlining the crease. I do not know where that footage went, but I will give you guys a tutorial on how I do that as well. But as for right now, that is the look, ladies. Go ahead and complete the other eye, do your face, and voila, magic. You should be feeling just like I feel just about right now. If you don't feel like this after you finish this look, something is wrong, sis. Something is wrong. You should be feeling yourself. But thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching me. I hope you guys enjoy this video and come back for the next tutorial.